Have you ever wondered how divers can go deep underwater without getting hurt? Imagine a deep-sea diver swimming far down into the ocean. Near the surface, there's very little pressure, mostly from the air, but as the diver goes deeper, water builds up above them, creating more and more pressure, pressing from all sides. Think of it like this. The deeper you go, the more water is pushing on you from every direction. When you're at the surface, there's just a little water above, so the pressure is low, but as you descend, more water stacks up above you. This stacked water has weight, and that weight pushes down on everything below, including the diver. So, you may be wondering, how do we figure out exactly how much pressure there is at a certain depth? Well, we can use a simple rule. Total pressure equals the pressure of the atmosphere and the pressure of the water. The pressure from the water depends on how deep the diver is, in this case 10 meters. The deeper they go, the more water is above, and the greater the pressure. Basic formula to find the water pressure is water pressure equals density of the water times gravity times depth. Below are the numbers that we will plug into the equation to find the total pressure the diver is experiencing. Water density is about 1,000 kilograms per meters cubed, gravity is 9.8 meters per second squared, and the depth in this case is 10 meters. Now, plugging in these numbers, we'll do 1,000 times 9.8 times 10, which equals 98,000 pascals for the water pressure. Then we add the atmospheric pressure at the surface, which is about 101,325 pascals, and adding these will give us the total pressure the diver is experiencing. Adding these up, our total is about 199,325 pascals, which is double the atmospheric pressure you experience on land. So, how do divers not get hurt while experiencing this pressure? Even though the water pushes really hard on the diver at great depths, the diver doesn't get hurt because the pressure is the same all around them. Think of it like this. If you're inside of a big balloon, the air pushes on the inside and the outside equally, so you don't get squeezed. The same thing happens to the diver. The water pushes on every part of their body equally from all sides. Pressure at depth comes from the weight of all the water sitting above a certain point. The more water stacked above, the greater the pressure, like a heavy blanket pressing down from above. That's why no matter how deep, the pressure is always balanced around you, keeping divers safe.